Erukutoka Kurani, Erukutoka Bible. We die of face, sleepy like person with a pimple. Mosa Shokoto, Mubira, Pumorumadi. Rapu Yera, Rufumi, Don, Happy Berry Tabati. Mumatala, Didika, Momonte, Moyatamati. Pardon me, Mille Penya, Chapa, Japa, Kawati. My boy, really do my mind, me gone, Coffin Bye. Why should it best up by? So after the sort of buy. I want to pay, I want best up by. I want to 47. Pistol again, you could send it to you. AK-47, you be my pequeno.
Alright, and thank you for joining me again today on Nature Trends with Maryhama Barherbs. I hope you enjoyed last week's broadcast, the healthy tips for pregnant women. I hope you enjoyed it and hope you find it interesting, hope it's informative. Thanks for your comments and views. And when you are tuned into AY Radio UK, the station with charisma, to listen to us in web player fastcatforyou.com and on Facebook AY Radio UK and Instagram AY Radio UK. You can also follow at the Jolly Journalist on Facebook, at the Jolly Journalist on Instagram. To download TuneIn app on Google Play Store, just go to the Google Play Store and search for TuneIn and download it. Also download on your TuneIn app, you can search for AY Radio UK to listen to AY Radio UK on TuneIn. Also don't forget to advertise for advertisements, placement, for sponsorship and support. You can call +234808673 1034, or you call this number +4479311788486. If you're an upcoming artist or artist, or you want to be interviewed on AY Radio UK special program, you can contact us on the number 08086731034. Okay, watch out for AY Radio UK Naija FM in Ikorodu, Lagos, Nigeria. Yeah, watch out, we coming soon, coming for you. I'm so glad you are tuned into AY Radio UK, a station with charisma. And to this edition of Nature Trends with Maryhama Barherbs, we bring you the facts. It's going to be fat and fun, you know. Yeah, it has to do with do you know facts? Yes. According to research, what we find out according to research on the internet, everywhere, we got to find out that there are so many things we didn't know about. Yeah, or you want to try? Okay, let me tell you started. Okay, did you know there is no butter in buttermilk? But it sounds buttermilk. How come there is no butter in buttermilk? Unless somebody is asking that question out there. Okay, you can find out. Did you know Jamaica has 120 rivers? Wow. Okay, I've never been to Jamaica before. But someone had it, you know? Okay, did you know a cat's urine glows under black light? You can try it if you have a cat in the house. And did you know that the most common mental illness are anxiety and depression? Yeah. Also, do you know that 1 minute case burns 20 calories? Do you know that? No, I bet you don't know that. Also, did you know that you burn more calories sleeping than watching TV? Okay? Did you know that your birthday, you share it with 9 million other people? Others, yeah. You're not the only one celebrating. For instance, your birthday is today, you're not the only one celebrating that day today. You have so many people celebrating the day with you. Also, did you know that frogs can swallow with their eyes open? When they want to swallow, they have to swallow them with their eyes closed. Okay, did you know that your tongue is the fastest eating part of your body? Do you know that? No. Did you know Coca-Cola originally contained cocaine? No. Did you know that all insects have 6 legs? Did you know that? No, I don't know that. Did you know in Eastern Africa you buy beer brewed from bananas? Yeah, I think I know that. Yeah, from bananas we can get beers. Yes, it has a process. Do you know that the internet was originally called APRONET, Advanced Search Project Agency Network, designed by U.S. Department of Defense? Also, did you know that your foot has 20 bones in it? No? Did you know that the average human brain contains around 78% water? Did you know a giraffe can clean its hairs with its 21-inch tongue? Oh! Did you know that the first letter of the month, July through to November, spelled JC? That's good. JC. So that is July, August, September, October, November. That is JC. Wow. You need to believe that. Did you know that each time you see a full moon, you always see the same side of the moon? Oh, you think it's a full moon, but you're seeing the same side. Wow. That is it. Okay, let's go for a short break. We'll be right back. Welcome back, and if you too just joining us on AY Radio UK, the station with Charisma, you're listening to Nature Trains with Mary Babs on AY Radio UK. I'm glad to know you're still on to AY Radio UK. And before the short break, we're talking about what you know, what you didn't know. Did you know the facts we know, facts and fun? According to research, what we find out, and tell some things we really don't know about. Yeah. Joe, let's get it started almost again. Did you know grapes explode when you pull them in the microwave? Do you know about that? No. You know that it is physically impossible for pigs to look up at the sky. Wow. And did you know your most sensitive finger is your index finger, closer to the tongue? Did you know black and yellow color are 2 colors with the strongest impact? And also, do you know that every day is holiday somewhere in the world? Yeah, every day is holiday somewhere in the world. Yeah. And also, do you know cows don't have upper front teeth? Do you know about that? Do you? Okay. Did you know your skin is the largest organ making up the human body? Did you know about that? No. Did you know that the first MTV video played was Video Killed the Radio Star by the Buggles? Did you know about that? No. Okay. Did you know that 96% of candles sold are purchased by women? Why? What are they using the candle to do? Why is it that the 96%? That's close to the 100. Why is 96% of candles sold are purchased by women? Wow. Isn't that? Well, don't let me go for that. Because if I talk now, so people will say, MB don't come again. Anyway, that's by the way. Do you know that 42% of men and women 25% don't wash their hands until using the public toilet? Wow. That is to say, men are dirty. Because if 42% of men don't even wash their hands after using the toilet, and 25% of women don't, that is to say, that is to tell you, 58% of men are clean, while 75% of women are clean and nets are healthy. Isn't it? Was it? If you say, 42% of men and women, 25% don't wash their hands after using the public toilet, which means our men are dirty. If they say, women are the dirtiest person and head. So, men, you guys need to watch. Okay, don't mind me anyway. Okay, did you know that Monopoly is the most played board game in the world? Wow. Did you know that the brand Nokia is named after a place in the southern Finland? Do you know about that? No. Did you know a group of frogs is called an army? A group of frogs is called an army. Okay. Did you know a group of geese G. Do you know a group of geese is called gaggle? Yeah, a group of gazelle is called gaggle. Do you know a group of owls is called parliament? Wow. Do you know a group of kangaroos is called a mob? Do you know the surface cow color is white? Well, I love white. But why is the white cow the surface white color? Why? Because white gets better easily for me. But when I know it's white color makes you unique. Anything you're putting on as white, it makes you unique from any other person. It makes you attractive. It makes you the center of attraction in a gathering or in an environment when you put on white. Anyway, do you know the most commonly forgotten item for travelers is their toothbrush? Wait, after you've packed everything, pack your clothes, you've put the necessary things and you forgot, you'll be like, wow, I forgot the toothbrush. I'm an example to that, yes. Okay, did you know Coca-Cola launched its third product, Spirit, in 1961? Wow. Did you know apples are more effective in waking you up in the morning than coffee? Coffee doesn't even work for me. Whenever I try to stay up at night because I want to read and I don't want to fall asleep, and I have taken coffee, believe me, it doesn't even work for me. Yeah. Do you know that the oldest word in English is town? Do you know about that? You don't know. Okay. Did you know cats have a peripheral vision of 265 degrees? Did they have the peripheral vision now? Peripheral vision of 285 degrees. 285. Wow. Interesting. Do you know small dogs usually live longer than larger breeds? Is that it? Do you know tree hugging is forbidden in China? Wow. Tree hugging is forbidden in China. Wow. So you don't have, so if you hug a tree there, is a sin. In the first place, say, why are you hugging a tree? Why do you want to hug a tree? Anyway, tree hugging is forbidden in China, according to the research. Did you know that the film Mary Poppins was filmed entirely indoors? Do you know human body of 70 kg person contain 0.2 milligram? Also, do you know white cats with blue eyes are usually deaf? Yeah, let's take a look at that. There's this picture going viral on Facebook. It's a boy about 4 years old with a blue eye, and people were like, wow, he's handsome, is this, is that, wow, he's an angel, is this, is that. And somebody then came up like, the boy is deaf and dumb, he cannot talk, he can hear, he can talk, he don't even understand anything, which means he's suffering from Down syndrome. So, from this, do you know that white cats with blue eyes are usually deaf? And also this boy is deaf and dumb. Don't you think it's the illness is somehow related to what the boy is suffering from? But people are seeing it as is a beauty. They say, wow, it's cute, it's this, it's that, I was like, wow, this boy is suffering from. I didn't even know actually that, okay, this boy. But to me, I'm like, why would he have a blue eye? And he looks black, and the blue eye makes him so different. And people are like, this boy is cute, is this, is that, is the most cutest baby boy I've ever seen in the world. I think a doctor now comment like, do you hold us cute? This boy needs help because he's suffering from illness. So now I understand that blue eye is due to deaf and dumb, what the boy is suffering from. Because we have here that cats with blue eyes are usually deaf. You got apples. Do you know China manufactures 70% of world toys? Yeah, did you know that China manufactures 70% of world toy. That is interesting to hear. Here is how we do a natural trends with Miriam Barb. We take you around the world. We take you around the nature. We take you around what is happening in the world. We let you know what are the natural things that we have that are beneficial to humans, and you need to stay glued to AY Radio UK for more updates on nature trends with Miriam Babs. It's an informative program, educative program, entertaining program. Yeah. If you're just joining us, you're still listening to AY Radio UK, the station with Charisma, and you are listening to Nature Trends with Miriam Babs on AY Radio UK, the station with Charisma. You can follow Miriam Babs on Facebook, MaryhamaBarherbs. You can also follow Miriam Babs on Instagram, MaryHama_BARHERBS. I'm glad to follow you back. You can listen to AY Radio UK on the web player using fastcastforyou.com. You can also listen to us on YouTube, AY Radio UK at The Jolly Journalist. You can also listen to us on Tune in. Just go to the Google Play Store, you download the Tune In app and search for AY Radio UK. You are there. You can also listen to us on Instagram, like at The Jolly Journalist, on Facebook, The Jolly Journalist, AY Radio UK. You can listen to us. You can also get to watch it on Miriam Babs' page, You're there. Just leave your comments and likes. So if you're an upcoming artist and you want to be interviewed on the street, Idol Show, a special program on AY Radio UK, you can contact us on the number +238 +238 That is 08086731034. You can also call the number +44793117886. Yes, and we'll be glad to have a business with you, to partner with you. And also, you can send us a mail at ayradiouk@gmail.com. Yeah, or you can drop a message on our Facebook page, AY Radio UK, and we'll be glad to reply to you. And also, for sponsorship and advert placement for any of our programs on AY Radio UK, you can contact us. We have different programs, varieties of programs for you, so keep it live. Once you get to our Facebook page, AY Radio UK, you get to listen and view some of our programs. We have our visual programs on the Facebook page, and you can also listen on TuneIn, AY Radio UK. You search AY Radio UK on TuneIn. Okay, let's get started back. Yeah, I think I stopped on do you know China manufactures 70% of world toys? Also, do you know paper originated from China? Do you know about that? Oh, do you know rice is the staple food for 50% of world's population? Do you know about that? Did you know wheelbarrow is invented in China? Do you know about that? Did you know Brazil covers 50% of the South American continent? Do you know about that? Did you know Brazil is named after a tree? Wow. Did you know the first sailing boat was built in Egypt? That's interesting. Did you know that honey is the only natural food which never spoils? Wow, that's interesting. Honey is a very, 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 very good natural plant, and with lots of benefit to humans, and it's a multi-functional, or it has multi-uses. It has advantages over a human, and it's good. It's good for almost everything. Yes, it's good for almost everything. You need to make a research and find out more about honey. Honey is a very good product, and from our research, honey is the only natural food which never spoils. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Long Life Media and Facebook Television Network offer the following services: photography, video coverage, editing, MT, also modeling, and TV presentation training, radio presentation training, video coverage training, and video editing training, and any other skill related to media you can take up. We offer all the following services. Also, you can contact them for video coverage and photography. You can contact AY Radio, you can contact Longleg Media and Facebook Television Network. They offer the services at affordable price, and you will never regret patronizing them. Yeah. Okay. Now, next on the did you know lemons contains more sugar than strawberries? Or the possible? Do you know unless food is mixed with saliva, you can't taste it? Wow. So if the food is not mixed with saliva, you can't taste it, which means no saliva on the tongue, no taste of food. Yeah. So unless food is mixed with saliva, you can't taste it. Did you know average person falls asleep in 7 minutes? Wow. Did you know bear has 42 teeth? Did you know 11% of people are left-handed? Wow. Did you know 8% of people have extra rib? Wow. And did you know 85% of plant life is found in the ocean? Yeah. All these are found. And did you know .com? For more, if you want to know more about it, if you want to know more about what you don't know, you can log on to didyouknow.com and you'll find it there, and you'll find it there. Okay, time to say goodbye. Time to say goodbye. And Naija Trend is Maryhama Barherbs, Naija Radio UK, the station with charisma. Thanks to my listeners. Thanks to my producer. Thank you, everyone. And thank you for being loyal. Thanks for your views. Thanks for your comments. Please, I need you to do more this week. Drop your comments. And AY Radio UK on YouTube, Ali Jolly Journalist on YouTube, and on Facebook, AY Radio UK, Ali Jolly Journalist on Facebook, on Instagram, AY Radio UK, Ali Jolly Journalist on Instagram. On Facebook, on Instagram and on Facebook. If you, for sponsorship and advert placement on the AY Radio UK, the station with charisma, you can call on +234 8080 86731034 or +4479311788486. You can also send us a mail at ayradiouk@gmail.com. You can send us a message on our Facebook page, AY Radio UK, and we'll be glad to reply you. And you can also listen to any of our programs on YouTube, AY Radio UK on YouTube, and Facebook, AY Radio UK. If you get to listen to any of our programs on AY Radio UK, you can get to listen to it there. And also, don't forget our Longleg Media. They train people on how to be a professional in TV presentation, radio presentation, photography, video coverage, video editing, modeling, MC, and so forth and so on. Yeah. You can log on to our Facebook page, AY Radio UK, for more information about Longleg Media and Facebook Television Network. Okay, thank you once again. Thanks to my listeners, and make sure you enjoy the rest of your week and have a wonderful day ahead. Okay, I'm gonna leave you to the song. Enjoy it and enjoy yourself. Do want to join me same time next week. Bye bye.
My people, how una dey? Hope you don't hear about the charismatic radio station where they sound like Uva, AYO Radio. Now AYO Radio, the young better tori, give updated news and music where they run down, sport news in call. Now everything you go enjoy for AYO Radio. AYO Radio, the charismatic radio station.
Mama, brother and sister, when I know at no work, but you want to be some no video younger, you photo. Don't pass the Yamama disease for body, don't make a plenty people get stroke of a body. Papa, Mama, we get stroke of a body, make one of the jolly forget. Larry Rehabilitation Center, don't cook on a domote. We got 3 years stroke and brain injury. One time, fear your body go down, some go down. Larry Rehabilitation Center, Tandagaba for block 4, plot 16, Kanta Housing Estate, Idiapa, Abel Kuta Ogun State. Ring them for 09061839299. Api 07013262899. Email larrycarehab@gmail.com. Larryca Rehabilitation Center. Una solution for Yamayama head. Health is wealth. We can only try in good health. The center that provides unique services and support for stroke survivors, Naija Rehabilitation Center. There is only one life. Maximize your potential and have a second chance to enjoy life. Naija Rehabilitation Center. We have experienced health instructors and medical experts that offer our clients superbly unique and good services. No need to waste time. This is what our former clients had to say about our service. I don't like stroke at all. It pulled my mommy down when I was in school. Though I did not know anything about any health instructor, but my friend gave me an address and I followed their instruction. Now my mommy is okay. Big thanks to Naija Rehabilitation Center. You see, no need to waste time. Contact us today at Block 4 Plot 16, Kenta Housing Estate, Idiaba, Abeokuta. Telephone 09061839299, 07013262899 and 08034722200. Email larrycarehab@gmail.com. Naija Rehabilitation Center. Excellent service delivery is our strength.
Yes! There are three things we do: entertain, educate, and have fun. Always listen and enjoy. AYO Radio UK, a station with charisma.
Ti gbà síwájú ó gbà sáàmì méjì ó ti gé wọn yọ. AYO Radio ìkànnì tó kún fọ́fọ́ fún àsìkò tí ọ̀lẹ́jà bá kàn. Ìròyìn eré ìdárayá àwọn ètò lọ́kàn òjọ̀kan tá a ti gbéyàmọ́ fún gbádùn yín. Ó ti gbà sábẹ́ àgbẹ̀yìn ayò ó di ṣọ́kí nínú àwọn. AYO Radio UK ẹ máa gbọ́ dáadáa. Ó ti gbà síwájú ó gbà sáàmì méjì ó ti gé wọn yọ. AYO Radio ìkànnì tó kún fọ́fọ́ fún àsìkò tí ọ̀lẹ́jà bá kàn. Ìròyìn eré ìdárayá àwọn ètò lọ́kàn òjọ̀kan tá a ti gbéyàmọ́ fún gbádùn yín. Ó ti gbà sábẹ́ àgbẹ̀yìn ayò ó di ṣọ́kí nínú àwọn. AYO Radio UK ẹ máa gbọ́ dáadáa.
Entertain, educate, and have fun. Always listen and enjoy. AYO Radio UK, a station with charisma.
Yeah, hey, rich girls like me. Hey, pretty ones that incite me. Daddy broke hoes getting pricey. Hey, hating ass niggas wanna fight me. Hey,
Dark Poet.
okay,
My sound.
already up top. Just loser. Just loser. Someone's like baby. I love the way you wind up body. Someone's like baby. Girl, I love the way you kiss somebody. Baby, I want to figure something.
Baby, pull over, I want to feel something new. Baby, feel my eye, I feel like killing somebody for you. I love you when you wear your waist. You got me cause I can't love. My love for you is so straight. Samantha, just well, it gets closer. I feel it the way you wind so fast. It gets well, it gets closer. The way you go, I can make me mad. Samantha, baby, I love the way you wind your body. Samantha, baby, Samantha, baby, girl, I love the way you kiss the body. Anytime I touch you, your body feels so romantic. Anytime I touch you, your body feels so magnetic. Samantha, go down, you went down low. I feel it that you wanna make my crazy. Go down low, you went down low. Tonight me and you must sit down. I'm with the door on you. Oh my love, I'm fool. You my baby love. If you gonna make my heart feel with some more beat, I'm gonna call it you. Samantha, baby, I love the way you wind your body. Samantha, baby, Samantha, baby, girl, I love the way you kiss the body. Almost 1.5 boys. Alright. Don't need to worry. Alright now. We not get make noise. Our twins just spread noise. Almost 1.5 hours. Don't need to worry. We not get make noise. Our twins just spread noise. Oh no. I love the way you wind your body. I love you. Samantha, baby, Samantha, baby, girl, I love the way you kiss the body. Samantha, baby, I love the way you wind your body. Samantha, baby, Samantha, baby, girl, I love the way you kiss the body. Oh, so rich. No love for spread that doesn't need better to the life, man. One love. Oh, quality.
In this original ceremony, they on the background, stand fit, Mudiaga, no matter the weight of elephant, nothing cause earthquake, slow colonize the worry, level sample, 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 my mother see me that
It's a